In this video, I want to talk about how you can mute YouTube TV on your Xbox. Now there are a few different ways that you can try, so let me quickly go through them. So the first one is you want to use your Xbox controller, and while you're watching the YouTube TV, press on the Xbox button on your controller to bring up the guide. Once you're inside of the guide, you want to look for the audio control section, so usually that's a speaker icon, and then you want to select the mute option. Now the second method is that you want to go and watch YouTube TV, press on the A button on your controller. Once you're in there, go to the volume control, so it's like a slider or a plus minus icons, and then just move it on the way that you want it to be. Now the last one is you can just mute your TV, so you can mute the audio with your remote control. So keep in mind that this will mute the entire Xbox and not only YouTube TV. So this is only to mute everything, but these two will only be for the YouTube TV. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.